Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. The EufyCam 2C Pro is a 2K resolution outdoor security camera with plenty of smart features and no subscription fee. In this video, I will show you the installation, setup, and a review of other smart features. First, let's talk about the main features. 2K resolution, infrared night vision, battery-powered, wire-free installation, smart AI human detection, works with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant via the HomeBase. Local storage, no subscription fee. The current price is listed at $319.99 for the 2-camera package at the Eufy's official website. If you use my referral link below, there is a limited time promotion of $50 off. Now let me open it and take a look. Installation. Step 1. Set up the HomeBase. Connect the Ethernet and power cord. Wait till indicator light turn to blue. Scan the QR code.
HomeBase receives a pairing request. Press the sync button on the back to accept it.
Press and hold the SIM button. Step 2. Set up the camera. Charge the battery to full. Add device via Eufy Security app. Press and hold the sync button.
Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
Step 3. Mounting. The mounting bracket has 4 parts: mounting base plate, rubber adapter, adjustable handle, and a cap. When mounting the camera, mount the base plate first with screws, then put on the rubber adapter, then the handle and cap. The camera can then be screwed onto the handle. You may adjust the camera angle by slightly loosening the cap. For my situation, I already have a mounting pole installed from a previous outlaw motion sensor light, so I just need to put the camera directly on the mounting pole screws. If you are interested in this mounting pole, I will write down the link in the description below. Live stream view. You may tap the flashlight icon to turn on the LED spotlight. You may tap the speak icon to talk over the speaker.
1 2 3 1 2 3.
You may tap the gear wheel icon to get to the app setting page. You may tap the moon icon to change the night vision modes. You may tap the rewind clock icon to check the alert history. You may tap the siren icon to turn on the siren sound.
Alarm off.
Now let's take a look at the app settings. Tap the 3-dot icon to get to the settings. You may set snooze duration to temporarily disable the alerts. Tap the gear wheel icon to get more options. In the motion detection settings, you may select the type of object you want to detect. You may detect human only or all motions. You may set the motion detection sensitivity. You may set up activity detection zone. In the spotlight setting, you may change the LED spotlight brightness. In the power manager setting, you may choose one of the 3 modes: optimal battery life, optimal surveillance, or customized recording. In the video settings, you may change the watermark, change the stream quality, change recording quality, or change night vision modes. In the privacy zone setting, you may set up an area that will be blocked for seeing, recording, and motion detection. In the audio settings, you may enable or disable microphone, audio recording, speaker, and change speaker volume. In the notification settings, you may change how the notification will be displayed. You may also change the notification sounds. In the general setting, you may change the device name, enable or disable status LED, set up storage methods, and review the mounting guide. In the Share Device function, you may share device control to your family member. Here are my final thoughts of the outdoor security camera. The pros are 2K resolution, works with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, local storage at the HomeBase, no subscription fees. The cons are only manual siren available, no anti-thief siren. LED spotlight not bright enough. Overall, the EufyCam 2C Pro is a battery-powered outdoor camera packed with great features that are comparable or better than the other competitors. However, it beats the other competitors with its competitive pricing and no need for subscription fees. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time!